This is an overview of the check in out inventory template. To use this template, we do not really need to activate the add-on, but since I planned on using the Gorilla SKU list formula, I went ahead and activated the add-on. So now we have a list of SKUs here. We just need to type in the other details in these yellow cells. Once this is done, we will have to manually type in the SKUs here with, with the status if they are coming in or going out, and the other required details in the yellow cells. These gray cells will be imported from the other tab, the product details tab. In the inventory summary, we will get the details here and the chart for the current inventory value and quantity. So the example tab, you can look at this tab and learn how it's working and what it does and how to make it work. The inputs tab is a backend tab, so we do not really need to edit anything here. The instructions tab contains the instructions on how to enable and use the add-on. Then we have the color legends. These are the colors that we use in our sheets. And then the glossary tab. So the glossary tab contains the list of functions that we offer, the custom functions, and you can learn more about them by hovering here and then clicking this link. Thank you.